Thank you for selecting the treasure race at Gardens by the Bay. It's a combination of an amazing race, succession of challenges and questions in different locations of the garden, and a treasure hunt, answers to find around you. Please ensure that you have installed the app called Loquiz on your phone or tablet. This app is available on both iOS and Android. You will need it to do the activity. Gardens by the Bay is stunning. A beautiful game area where you will play with your friends or with your family. You're going to look for information to answer the questions proposed on your app. We have 16 themes, following those of Gardens by the Bay. They relate to the nature, the flora, and the fauna of Singapore and Asia. As you move around the challenges, they will be activated automatically when you come near the location indicated on the map. You simply need to go from location to location, and the questions will appear. They do not require any specific knowledge, just for you to be curious and look around you, to hunt for the answer. In some cases, the answer can be found by solving some puzzle or riddle on the phone. We also propose that you take creative photos for you to bring back beautiful memories. This activity is designed to be done in small groups of friends or with your family. Typically, 2 or 3 of you sharing a phone or a tablet. If you are more than that, purchase several tickets, 1 per phone. There is no limit to the group size. You can then either collaborate or compete with each other. Let me explain how to start the game. Launch the Loquiz app, enter the username and password. You'll find them in the PDF attached to the email sent to you after you purchase the game. You are then prompted to enter your name. Once that is done, a screen appears with 2 options: create a team or join a team. If several devices are used within a single team, the first one of you must create the team. To do so, select Create Team, then enter the team name, and then you are ready. But if others are playing with you, give them a few seconds to join you. They must also enter the username and password. The password is unique to each device. Enter the password sent separately, then enter the name. Once it is done, select Join a Team, and the screen with the names of all the teams created will appear. Simply select the team you want to join and you are ready to start. From now, all the screens of the team are synchronized. That means that when one of you answers, she or he answers for the team, and others will notice their screen moving to the next step. Make sure you communicate with each other and only answer once ready. It does not have to be always the same person answering. Any one of you can do it, but it will be a team answer. Frankly, 90 minutes may not be enough to complete everything. Select where you want to go, what you want to do, at the speed you want. Some will have the time to complete it. Others prefer to enjoy themselves and do at a leisurely pace. The important thing is to enjoy yourself. Have fun, get as many points as possible, and good luck. Enjoy our treasure race at Gardens by the Bay.